Those answer sheets is that you should write everything. And to be precise, specifically, you have to make those diagrams, right? Those diagrams are very important. Okay. And yeah. So most of you guys have done all these questions, right? And in these question, you guys just wrote the answer, but I want all of you guys to write the idea that you have applied, right? In the rough or somewhere else, but you write on the paper so that I can understand that how did you get the answers, right? Because you are submitting it online, I cannot see that how did you get the answers. In that way, I would be able to understand, right? These are the things that I wanted to convey, and all of you guys have done this one, two, three, four, five question. All of you guys have done. Sixth, also you guys have done. So do you guys have any doubts in any other question? Otherwise, I will pick this question. So question number 8, 9, I will pick. Maybe 7 also. And this 10th one also. So do you guys have any doubts in the previous set of questions? In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Any doubts? Yes, guys.
Sir, in the first one, we just equated, right?
Yeah, if the
We
yeah,
put the formula and use the radius diameter given.
okay. So if the area of a circle is equal to the area of, so this is an MCQ question, so we should not write them more elaborately. So we can write that circle, let's say circle, one is circle, and these are areas, right? Plus the area of circle, right? These are the thing which are given. So area of circle is sum of areas of two circles. This is given. Now of two circles of diameter 10 centimeter and 24 centimeter. Then the diameter of the larger circle. So D2 is given, which is 10 centimeter. D3 is given 24 centimeter, and they want us to calculate what's that? T1, right? So from here we can calculate R2, which is 10 by 2, which is 5 centimeter, and we can calculate R3, which is 24 by 2, which is 12 centimeter, right? So this thing now, this information we can write pi R1 square. This is pi R2 square plus pi R3 square. So pi will be cancelled. R1 square is 5 square plus 12 square. So this is, I guess, 13 square, right? 25, 144, 169, 13 square. So R1 is 30, right? I should write it as R1 is root of 13 square. 13. So R1 is 13, so D1 would be 2 into R1, which is 2 into 13, which is 26. Right, so all of you guys have got this 26 answer. Yes. What was the question, Abir? And any of the tickets that have fallen? Correct?
Sir, I randomly picked any option, that's why, because I was calculating it in the same way, but I was
Oh,
not getting any of the options. My answer was the closest to 26, so I
oh,
just put 26.
oh, so yes, you guessed the answer. Okay, but you guessed any but yeah, but we have to, yeah, calculate. Yes, but your guess was right, and yeah, that was correct. Yes, Tejasvi and Amira, did you understand this problem? Yes, guys, did you understand this problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And we can also directly do these question part. If we would have used pi d1 by 2 whole square equals to pi, but this thing I don't want to do, then we could have directly got the answer. Because the area of circle is this thing also, right? So pi d1 square by 4 plus pi d2 square by 4 plus pi d2 square by 4. This thing will cancel and we will directly get d1 square as 10 square plus what was 24 square. So this is 100, this is 576, this is 676, d1 square, so d is 20. So in this way we can also get part this is the usual, right? Without using the radius, we can also get it. So any other question from 2 to 6? Any other doubts, guys? Yes,
No, sir.
doubts. Yeah. And you guys please practice these questions, right? These are very important. Okay, so seventh one is about the length of the minute hand. Yeah, so seventh question is about the length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter, right? So we know length of minute hand is radius of the circle. Right? So this is how much? 14 centimeter, right? So, and we also want to calculate angle made in 10 minutes. This thing we want to calculate, right? So we know, what do we know? In 60 minutes, angle made is 360 degree, right? So in 1 minute, angle would be 360 by 60. In 10 minutes, so this would be 360, 60, and 10. So this is right. So now we have got theta and we have radius. So this is 60 degree and this is how much? 40. So area of sector. Area of sector is theta by 360 pi r square. So 60 by 360 pi, which is 22 by 7, 14, 40. So 6, this is 11, this is 3, this is 2. So this is how much? 22 into 14 by 3. So 28. 28 plus, right, 30 by 3. So 10.67. And centimeter square, what is it? Yeah, centimeter square. So this would be the area, right?
Yes, sir.
Did you guys, yeah, I guess this question you guys also got the answer, right? So, Amina, did you get the answer of this question? Yeah, so please note it down and then we'll, just, yeah, you guys already got the answer, but please note it down. In the meanwhile, I can check those scores and that is pretty bad. Situation is very dire. any other wickets. No. Each one wicket.
Noted, sir.
Yeah, diverted from the actual thing that we were doing. So it was this trigonometry part, and it will solve those homework that I have assigned to you guys previously. You guys will solve those. These how many months which are remaining? 3 months. Please, you guys get serious because this is the 10th one, and after that, yeah, you have your 11th and 12th as standard. So this is the crucial stage, guys. You have to be very careful from now, and so this is the eighth question. And most of you guys didn't draw the diagram as usual, and you also didn't label them, right? So let's say I have this white sheet of paper, and you guys say that OB is 5 centimeter, OC is 3 centimeters, then PQR is something halfway into height. So how will I be able to understand these? Can you guys figure out what is what are these things? Can you guys figure it out?
No, sir.
Yeah. So when you don't make the diagram and you don't label them, if you write these things, then because in AP in arithmetic progression that is totally understandable, right? In AP we can do that, but in mensuration and all these things we cannot, right? Yeah, because if you write in AP, if you write A is 2, if you write N is 5, if you write D is 3, then I know what are these things, right? This was the question. And O, A, E, and this is a quadrant, so this is 90, right? So angle AOC, this is for 90 degree, which is theta. Okay, so and what else is given? So if you write it as and OA is 20 centimeter, right? So this is 90, right? This would be 90, and this is 90, so this is 90, so this is 90, right? So this is a square, right? This is OA, this is equal, and these are all the things are equal. So OABC is a square, right? And this is already. So if OA is 20 centimeter, which means that AB and BC and oops, because OABC is a square, right? So these are the things which are given, and we have to find out the shaded region. these are the things that we need to find. Okay. So, whenever we get any sectors, any square, any circle components, so what is the most crucial thing? What is the most crucial parameter in circle? Yes. What is the most crucial parameter that determines everything? From the area of circles to area or to perimeter of circle to, let's say, area of
Ra-
sectors, radius, right? So
Radius.
radius is very important, right? And in this quadrant, what are the radii that we have? First, we have to
O-
identify the, yes,
OP will be the radius.
OP. So we have, yeah, absolutely correct. So this is one of the radius. So OP is radius. O, what about OQ? What is
OB.
O?
Diagonal. So
Yeah, so OB is the radius, and what about OQ?
OQ is also radius.
So we have a three radii, right? So OQ is OP, and this is O, and this is the radius, right? Now we have to find out this OB, and what do we know? We know this is 20, this is 20.
So we can take hypotenuse.
Yeah, so OB would be root of OA square plus AB square, right? So 20 square plus 20 square. So this is 2 into 20 square. So I can take this 20 square, 20 outside, and this is, so this is my OB, which is the radius, right? Now to calculate the area of shaded region, what should I do?
Area of quadrant minus the area of the square.
Yeah, absolutely right. So area of shaded region, this would be area of quadrant, area of quadrant OPBQ minus area of square, area of square OABC, right? So area of quadrant, let us find out that area of quadrant OPBQ is how much? Theta by 360 pi r square. So this is 90 by 360 pi, and r is how much? 20. This is this is 5. So this is root 2 and 5 10 and 20. So 200 pi, and area of square. This is side into side, or side square. So this is 20 into 20, which is 4. So now we have to find out the area of shaded region. This is 200 pi minus 400, and 200 I can take common, so this is pi minus 2. So this is 200, 3.14 they have said, and this is 1.14, so 28. This is the area. Right? So if they say, if you write your answer like this, So you have all these information in your answer sheet, right? You have all the
Yes,
things
sir.
in, yeah. So this is the way that I want you guys to write in your examination, right? Write all the information in the answer sheet. So in this way, they cannot cut marks. In any way, they cannot cut marks, right? So you guys please note it down, and if this, yeah, if you guys have any doubts, please please note it down. And in the meanwhile, I can check. Whenever you guys want me to scroll down, please.
Sir, can you scroll it down?
And whenever you guys have noted it down, please. Yeah, whenever you guys have noted it down.
Noted, sir.
What is
Sir.
What is the next? This is the next question, right? And we have, yeah, you guys have already done this problem, but let us discuss. Okay. So this was the question, right? Ninth one. So in the given figure, AB and this is these are the two diameters, right? So and this one is this. So we have to find the area of this. And what are the labels? B, this is 2, this is 3, A, C. Right. So what we can do in this case, that let us divide this thing into semicircles, right? So what do we know? What are the given things? That OA is 7 centimeters, right? This is 7 centimeters. So which means that PO is how much? This is 7 centimeters, right? And let's say we have this M. This is the center. So let's say that this M is PM is 7 by 2 centimeters, right? So, so then what we will have. So if I want to calculate the area of this part, this
So you're lagging.
shaded region. So how do I calculate? I'm like, is that okay now? Am I clearly audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Am I audible now, everyone? Okay, so if I
Yes, sir.
want to calculate the shaded region in this part, so you can clearly see that these are two segments. Be that we should calculate one segment and then multiply it by two, right? Right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Or what we can, what else we can? If you look at the semicircle AD, look at the semicircle CAD, right? So what would be, yes, so let us name them. This is one shaded region, this is two, and this is third. So how can we collectively calculate one and two?
Area
Just look
of
at the semicircle.
semicircle minus the area of triangle ACD.
Yeah. So what are you guys suggesting? Are you guys agreeing with Abir's answer? Abir is saying that we subtract this portion from the semicircle. Segment one is yes, guys. Is this clear, everyone? So if I write area of shaded region 1 and 2, this would be how much? This is the area of, semicircle EAD minus the area of triangle, right? So area of semicircle EAD would be how much? This would be pi, and radius is how much? OA square by 2, right? Right, it be. So this would be how much? Pi OA is 7, and 7 divided by 2. So they have said that we have to take pi as 22 by 7. This is 77 centimeters square. This is area of semicircle and area of triangle CD, and the height is half. CD is 4749. So area of shaded region 1 and would be how much? This is 77 plus 49 so minus, right? Yes, I got disconnected. Yes, guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir, but your voice is cracking actually.
Me? Oh, why this is happening? So they have changed the IP address. What is that? Yeah. Okay, so what I was saying that this is minus, so this is 2, and this is 3. This is the area of shaded region 1 and 2. And what would be the area of shaded region 3? How much is that? This area is how much?
Area of the small circle.
Yeah. So area of absolutely correct shaded region 3 is area of circle. Let's say this is, and let me write it as a small circle. So this is pi, r is 7 by 2, and square. So 22 by 7 into 7, 7 by 22. So then what would be the 3, which is how to say 77 by 2. So 4, 77, 1, So please note it down. And if you guys have any doubts, please ask. Right? Please ask me if you guys have any doubts. Yes.
Sir, can you scroll it down?
So as you guys can see that I have written all the information in the answer sheet, right? So please do these problem in this way.
Noted, sir.
Noted. What about you, Amira and Tejasvi? What about you guys?
Done, sir.
Yeah, we should not disturb Amira today because okay, so this question. And I guess all of you guys have done this problem, right? So you see that we have this diagram like this one big circle, big circle, this one, and then this half one, and then the bottom half, right? So I have this kind of shape, and these are the here. This is S, this is A, this is Q, this is T, and this is P. So this is given that this is 7 centimeter. PQ is 7 centimeter, right? And this one is 3 centimeter. This semicircle. So I have made a wrong diagram. This could have been larger. These are different regions. and perimeter is the outer shape. Oh, okay. Am I audible, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, guys, can you hear me? Yeah. So the perimeter is what? Perimeter of this shaded region is this thing, right? So the outer line which is defining this thing. So this is the perimeter, right?
Yes.
So we can see that one is this that semicircle PSR, right? So so the what is that thing? One four. So perimeter of shaded region, that would be one semicircle PSR, right? Plus this semicircle, right? So if I'm walking like this, so PSR plus this semicircle, right? Semicircle QTR and plus semicircle this one, right? PAQ. So this would be the perimeter, right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So this is perimeter of semicircle is how much, guys? Can you guys tell me what is the perimeter of semicircle?
Pi r.
Pi r, right? So full semicircle divided by 2, so 2 pi r by 2, so pi r. So this is pi radius of this is how much? PSR is PR by 2. And then QTR is pi and QR by 2. And pi PQ by 2, right? So I have to write the reasons. So PR, QR, and PQ are diameters, and semicircle is Rashid is joining now. So this is pi r. Okay. So what are these things? So pi PR is how much? 10 by 2. Pi QR is 3 by 2. And pi PQ is 7 by 2. So pi by 2 is common in everywhere. I can take this thing common. So 10 plus P plus 7. So this is 10 plus 10, 20. Right? So this is 10. So 3.14 into 10, which is 31.4 centimeters. So this would be the perimeter. You guys please note it down, and then we will stop. And yeah, again, don't get disappointed with those marking. Those were just to convey you guys that we should write everything. Okay, please note it down, everyone, and then uh, get to the foundation. They need 70.
Noted, sir.
Noted. Okay, what about is Tejasvi and Amira? What about you guys? Noted.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, so we'll stop it here and see you guys tomorrow, right? Bye, guys. Bye.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz, everyone. Bye, bye, guys. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Welcome, sir.
Bye, bye. Yes, bye, bye.